Tech support, thank you for looking at this video. What I'm trying to do is trying to find out why Modbus Paul is able to monitor the slaves, I mean the inputs, but not not able to control the outputs. So I'm gonna go back here. I wish I could leave this window always stay in the front, so I can show you the input and outputs, but the window will not stay in the front. So let's go to the drivers. Let's get Modbus server, and I'm gonna leave this configuration as is. So these are my inputs, POC inputs. I am going to automatic assignments. So Modbus digital outputs will be able to actuate conveyors and pick and place cylinders. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the driver. Let me go ahead and stop the driver again and then start it again. Okay, now the driver is connected. As you can see down here, it is connected. So when I go to Modbus Paul, then I go to TCP and connect. So I have no problem connecting, as you can see. It's right here. So if I so the problem is that I am able to see if I toggle these inputs here, I should be able to see, you see on. So the inputs, I am able to see them here. The problem is that when I try to write to the outputs and I write the value 1, so I'm not able to see the outputs here turning on and off or changing states. So if I just leave true, start address, it will give me an invalid value. Also, for some reason, this is like a little bug. So you see this Windows goes away. I don't know why. It's not, it doesn't wait for me. I can double click and press 1, but if I do this, it'll go away. So I put 1, and then let's say address 2. When I click on write, I'm expecting this output here to turn on, but they don't. So if I change it to discrete, I'm not able to write anything output. I have no idea, not a freaking idea, how I can turn on the output, these outputs here. And why is it so easy to monitor my inputs and outputs, but why is it so hard to control outputs? I should be able, right now there's 2 inputs here. And if I go ahead and actuate the output and turn on the conveyor, you will see that this input here, when this LED photo cells looks at the box, look at here the inputs. Boom, turn on. Good. So we have good communication. We got everything, but I have no idea how I can turn an output on and off. And also, I don't have buttons. If I want to turn a few outputs on and on, do I have to go to each every time I open like a window and do it one at a time? How can I have button here so I can press the turn out output, these outputs? I can turn the conveyor on and off, or the escapement here. If you can help me with that, I will appreciate. But right now I'm totally lost. I don't know how to handle outputs, and it's becoming very frustrating. Thanks for your help. Appreciate it.